A great way to give your workout routine a boost is to get some advice from an expert. So today, we've got trainer tips packed full of information about building upper body strength that can help you for years to come.
Hello everyone, my name is Lily Horowitz from the Core Method, and I'm here to give you my top 3 tips on getting a strong upper body. Having a strong upper body is imperative as we age. It helps with our posture. It helps to keep our body upright and our head held up high. And it also helps to keep us strong so that we can lift things. Tip number 1 is working those biceps. That's this muscle right here. We can do that by bicep curls in different directions, changing our hand positions. And it's important to work those muscles because they connect directly into our shoulders. Tip number 2, working those shoulders. We can do that many ways, but lifting those arms up and down while keeping those shoulders retracted is one of the ways we can get to those upper back and shoulder muscles. Not only will that keep your body upright, but it will also help you connect to your core, even when you're doing arm work. And tip number 3 is to work those triceps. It's important to keep them strong so that your arms are strengthened all the way around 360. Triceps are tricky, so we have to do different things to get them to work, like tricep extensions or arms bending in and out or dips off of the steps.
For even more trainer tips to improve your workout, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. All right, if you liked this video and you want more information about living a healthy life, just subscribe to our channel. We're happy you're here.